color as the only means of conveying information. One example that we sometimes see when color is the only means is when an answer key is color-coded. So if we start here looking at column I on this spreadsheet that is shared with us, we can see that the owner of the spreadsheet tried to help others understand that true is the correct answer to the question by color-coding that in green. But if I were unable to see the color green, I would not be able to tell the answer key. So that's an example where color is the only means of representing which answer is correct or incorrect. Similarly, if we take a look at the pie chart that's been included here, we can see that the answer key tells us that true is blue and red is false. But if I could not distinguish between red and blue, I would have no other means of telling which answer was which on this key. So it's actually more appropriate to label the parts of the pie here so that I can see that the 52.6% on the left indicates false, the 47.4% on the right indicates true. This does not rely on me to be able to distinguish the red from the blue, but clearly labels the two parts of the pie. Another example where color is the only means of representation is something like two-color counters, where yellow is often used to denote positive, red is negative, but if students can't distinguish the yellow from the red, there is no label that pops up if I hover over these counters or click on them to help me distinguish the difference between them, so this would be considered not accessible for our students. So we need to be looking for labels, keys, legends that tell us what these different items or objects included in the resource indicate, other than just color.